Want to start gardening but worried about the budget? Gardening can bring so much joy and fulfillment, but potential cost barriers can sometimes hinder us from getting our hands dirty. Fear not, we've got 7 money-saving tips to help you get started. First up, start small. Diving into a small garden first has its benefits. It's not just about lower initial costs, it's also about the learning curve. You can make mistakes, learn from them, and grow, literally and figuratively. Remember, a small garden can still yield big results. Secondly, choose the right plants. It's crucial to select flora that thrive in your local climate and soil type. This not only ensures healthier, happier plants, but also reduces maintenance costs. Remember, the right plants can save you both time and money. Moving on to tips 3, 4, and 5. Buying in bulk can be a savvy move, with savings piling up over time as you stock up on essentials like soil, fertilizer, and seeds. Next, consider recycling. Old containers, broken pots, even newspapers can find a new life in your garden, saving both money and the environment. Lastly, swap seeds. Sharing varieties with fellow gardeners not only diversifies your garden, but also keeps your pocket happy. With these tips, you can garden more and spend less. Finally, tips 6 and 7. Composting kitchen waste is a fantastic way to create nutrient-rich soil without shelling out for expensive fertilizers. Your fruit peels, coffee grounds, and vegetable scraps can all be transformed into black gold for your plants. Now, watering wisely is just as crucial. Overwatering not only harms your plants, but also inflates your utility bills. So, be mindful about when and how much you water. These final tips help your garden and your wallet thrive. So there you have it. From starting small, choosing the right plants, buying in bulk, recycling, swapping seeds, composting, to watering wisely, you can enjoy the beauty of gardening without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.